Because my lord, they have not because they have not declared me pass, and though I am pass, because the school administration says that we have uploaded the proper marks, and school has filed the affidavit of the principal कि we have not failed any of the student, because the COVID policies itself says कि no student will be failed due to the pandemic. So they have to uploaded the marks properly, and they have uploaded the proper marks, or they have reduced my marks. Under what capacity they have to exhibit the my marks only in the mark sheet? They have nothing to do with the valuation and the valuation. They have to exhibit the marks in the mark sheet. School administration said that we have awarded 33 marks. So how they reduced under the garb of the policy that we under the moderation scheme, as per the policy we have awarded 32 marks.
His father?
His father, my lord.
क्या 2 साल से क्या कर रहा है बच्चा?
2 साल से सर अभी मार्कशीट का वेट ही कर रहे हैं सर, बार बार यहाँ
दोबारा नहीं बैठा वो
सर। जब तक स्कूल से वो माइग्रेशन सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिले तो अगली जगह एडमिशन नहीं मिल सकता सर।
शीट ऑर्डर डेटेड मतलब 30/11/22
वो आए नहीं लॉर्डशिप,
अभी आगे बोल के गए हैं। but while order dated 30/11/22, this honorable court was pleased to direct the principal to produce the relevant record of the petitioner
30/11/22. Yes.
The principal was appeared on 13/2/23 and produced all the relevant documents and the calculation sheet. On 1/3/23, the document number 2590/23 was filed, which is my lord appended here along with the petition in the last my lord. In page number internal 49, the school has said that they have granted 33 marks to the.
Yes.
My lord, the relief is that since the petitioner was not awarded the marks as granted by the school, by the CBSE, and they have declared me fail in the science subject. The copy of the mark sheet is I have filed at page number 34 P5, my lord.
Who conducts the examination?
Examination conducted by the CBSE through the school, my lord. And since there is a COVID period, so the
school?
My lord, school is about to conduct the examination, but due to the COVID pandemic, the examination could not be held, so a moderate policy was adopted, and it was circulated to calculate the marks on the basis of 10th, 11th and 12th.
Okay.
And on that basis the marks should be processed to the CBSE, and by forming a committee, the committee has formed by the school, and committee has given the 33 marks to the petitioner in the biology subject.
Yes.
And that mark was sent to the CBSE for releasing the mark sheets. But it was sudden surprise and shocking enough when the mark sheet was given, petitioner was awarded 32 marks, whereby he was declared fail. So on the basis of this petition, this honorable court was pleased to direct the principal to produce the relevant record of the petitioner and one expert, that what was the criteria and what was the mode of calculation. So they have filed the entire compilation on 1/3/23. Page number 49, internal page.
So, Abhi, what is the urgency?
My lord, urgency is that since there is 21 matter and the admission is going to be, my lord, complete in the current academic year. So petitioner is nowhere, my lord. So if they release the mark sheet, so he could get the admission in the first year, because one has already been.
You appeared in which examination?
12th examination, that is for the 2021 session.
And now, madam, this is
2021
one session.
Yes, my lord.
And now this is
2 session has gone, my lord. Now in 3rd session he is saying that the evaluation would be done. And
what happened to 2 academic sessions?
lord, that has not been disclosed by him, what he is doing.
You must have appeared again.
no, but my lord, since I have been declared pass by the school authorities, the school has given me the 33 marks. Kindly see page number 49.
No, we want to know that now you want admission for academic session 2023-24.
My lord,
In which year?
for first year, my lord.
First year of graduation.
My lord,
So what you did for 2 academic sessions? When did you fail? Whether you appeared in subsequent examination or
no, my lord.
you are waiting for the result of this petition?
But since he is confident that
Lord,
he has already been given the passing marks.
And if this petition is dismissed, what would happen to his 2 years?
Certainly, my lord, he is at loss.
Who is his father?
His father, my lord.
क्या 2 साल से क्या कर रहा है बच्चा?
2 साल से सर अभी मार्कशीट का वेट ही कर रहे हैं सर, बार बार यहाँ।
दोबारा नहीं बैठा हुआ?
सर जब तक स्कूल से वो माइग्रेशन सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिले तो अगली जगह एडमिशन नहीं मिल सकता सर।
No, he can appear for the 12th class again.
क्या 1 मार्क का डिफरेंस?
1 mark difference, my lord.
This is not the dispute, my lord. The result was
You are appearing for CBSE.
CBSE, my lord.
क्या what is your stand?
Lord, the result was prepared by on the basis of the policy which has been affirmed by the Supreme Court, my lord. So there is no, Lord, there is nothing which can be says कि we have done the wrong, my lord. The marks which has been uploaded by the school on the portal, that was done on the moderation as per the policy by the computer, and the result was declared. And he was declared as fail, my lord. Against, my lord, on that, my lord, against that declaration of result, my lord, he has preferred an objection to the school, my lord. Since the entire process has to be done by the school regarding the declaration of the result, regarding the preparation of the result, my lord. So he has preferred objection as contained in the policy that if the student is not satisfied with the result declared, he can approach to the school and submit the objection, my lord. He submit that objection, my lord. The result committee has again, my lord, done the entire exercise, my lord, and given his opinion that he is not, the result which has been declared is correct and he is failed. And they have submitted that he has to appear in the compartment examination. In the compartment examination, he appear again compartment examination, and he declare fail again in compartment in biology, my lord. So the compartment result has already been declared, and he has been declared as a fail. So now the result which has been declared earlier, my lord, that is gone, my lord, because he has to appear in the compartment examination, and he has appeared in the compartment examination, and in the compartment examination he has also failed. And so far as the policy is concerned, my lord, this is not for the only for this student, my lord. The result was declared by this CBSE. We have declared the result for entire school, my lord, for almost 40 students.
How, according to what he argued, that the school awarded 33 marks
Yes, my lord.
in biology.
Yes, my lord.
You have reduced it to 30.
We have not reduced, my lord. We have not reduced.
It
is
appears from the mark sheet, my lord.
my lord, it is the
I'm trying to understand what it is.
policy, my lord, according to which the result was declared. Your lordship will please to consider the policy which has been annexed with the reply, my lord.
So he has already appeared in supplementary
Yes,
But
my
the
lord.
same subject.
Because, my lord, they have not
He has failed.
because they have not declared me pass. And though I am passed, because the school administration says that we have uploaded the proper marks, and school has filed the affidavit of the principal कि we have not failed any of the student, because the COVID policy itself says कि no student will be failed due to the pandemic. So they have to uploaded the marks properly, and they have uploaded the proper marks, or they have reduced my marks. Under what capacity they have to exhibit the my marks only in the mark sheet. They have nothing to do with the valuation and the valuation. They have to exhibit the marks in the mark sheet. A school administration said that we have awarded 33 marks. So how they reduce under the garb of the policy that we under the moderation scheme, as per the policy we have awarded 32 marks.
Wait,
There is no such explanation, my lord.
we will try to take it. You have already wasted your 2. Thereafter participating in the supplementary compartment, then you did not appear in any. He has not taken any attempt.
Compartment के बात कहीं appear हुआ ना?
नहीं।
So as per the school,
the board-
as per the awardation of the marks by the school, they have, my lord, issued
It
the.
requires hearing at length, unless we examine that how the marks are awarded.
So my lord, kindly keep it in the next week, in Thursday.
Likesi Sanjay, Jamindar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Sri Akhil Godha, for the respondents 1 and 2, Sri Dharmendra Kumar Sharma, for the respondent number 3, क्या थर्सडे आपको रहेगा कि वेडनेसडे?
Wednesday, Lordship.
My lord, after a week, any date, my lord.
Why? You are going somewhere?
Yes, my lord.
List on 12th July,
Did-
Wednesday.